Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. From the platform of English Buffet.5, I'm gonna impart you something of much value. Hope you all are ready to receive. Viewers, you can see in front of you there are two words written which look alike, yet they definitely have something different to perform. This is what is today's target. So I'll be telling you how they are easily confused and how we can get rid of it by using them particularly in their own dimensions. So by the end of today's lesson, you will be practicing these two words accordingly and even confidently. सो व्यूअर्स सी देर इज़ अ स्लाइट डिफरेंस हम अक्सर क्या करते हैं कि इन दोनों का चूँकि मीनिंग एक दूसरे के बहुत क्लोज है, इसका मीनिंग उर्दू में होता है कि जब तक ना या जब तक। दैट इज़ वाई इट बिकम्स वेरी कन्फ्यूजिंग। तो अगर हम इनके फंक्शंस पे थोड़ा सा गौर करें तो इनमें एक स्लाइट सा डिफरेंस है। वो क्या है? लेट मी टेल यू। सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर मीनिंग्स हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट। अनलेस मीन्स एक्सेप्ट फॉर अ स्पेसिफाइड condition. Let's take the example. I will quit my job unless I get a pay hike. Right? दूसरी तरफ देखें until. Up to the time of. Okay? Means to the happening of something. It is set for time. Right? You can go out and play until it gets dark. सो अगर हम गौर करें व्यूअर्स तो until is more specified. इसमें टाइम की कंडीशन थोड़ी सी restricted है as compared to unless. Let's take some more explanation. See, unless is used very often instead of if not. Okay, instead of using if not, we often use unless. Whereas on the other side, until can be replacing the word till. Right? Let's do some more. We use until to talk about a point in time. जैसे मैंने कहा कि इसमें टाइम एक फ़िक्स होता है, कोई कंडीशन फ़िक्स होती है कि इस वक्त पे, या फिर ये कंडीशन है वी हैव टू मीट दैट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वेटेड until 6:30 but Donna didn't come, so I left. Right? I have to work until 9 tonight. I hope things are getting clearer. On the other side, let's take unless. It is used to talk about a condition and a result. I don't want to buy a new phone unless it has a long battery life. I can't take a vacation unless I have enough money. Viewers, if you ponder over these two words and their sentences the way I am using in front of you, तो आप देखेंगे कि unless के यूजेज में जो कंडीशन है वो इतनी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं है, जबकि until में हम टाइम स्ट्रिकन है, वी आर टाइम बाउंड. ओके, वी आर मोमेंट बाउंड. वहाँ देर इज़ नो अदर वे आउट. So this is the slight difference that we have to keep in mind while practicing. Okay. See one more. Unless it is conditional, right? But until is constrained by time. वही बात कि unless में चीज़ें थोड़ी सी mild हैं comparatively, जबकि until में we are bound. Okay? इसकी restriction थोड़ी सी कह लें कि हम यहाँ पे fix हैं. On the other side, again, unless it has a negative meaning, remember. Okay? Unless has negative meaning, whereas until is always about restriction. Unless का meaning होता है जब तक ना. Okay? And until means जब तक. See the examples. You can't play video games unless you have finished your homework. On the other side, wait until your mom comes home before playing video games. Here we are bound to wait for the mom, right? And here, though there is restriction, there is a condition, but it is not as harder as it is in until. Okay? So hope things are getting quite evident to you, quite prominent. Let's take them in Urdu. Unless, viewers देखिए, unless he comes I will not leave. जब तक वो नहीं आता मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. I would not go unless you say yes. जब तक कि तुम हाँ ना करो मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. अब until की मिसालें लेते हैं. I can't go until he comes. जब तक वो नहीं आता मैं नहीं जा सकता. देखें, अगर गौर करें तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा फिक्सेशन है, रिस्ट्रिक्शन थोड़ी सी है और सख्ती है, मतलब सेकंड में until में थोड़ी सी सख्ती पाई जा रही है. Until you come we shall be staying there. जब तक आप आएँ हम यहीं ठहरे रहेंगे. सो सेकंड में we are fixed, जबकि फर्स्ट में unless में it is a little bit mild. So that is all. In short, we can say, viewers, that unless is used for a precondition, you can say. It is a sort of precondition which must be met. And until is a deadline one must adhere to. मतलब both are almost same, both are having conditions, but in until we don't have any other way out, we have to adhere to the condition. There isn't any way out unless we meet it. Okay, so see the sentence. You won't pass unless you study. जब तक मेहनत नहीं करोगे पास नहीं हो सकते. And see the last example. Wait until you are called means you have to wait. You are bound to wait until you are called. Okay, so first में a little bit mild, और याद रखें कि unless is a negative word, जबकि until में we are more restricted. We have to meet the deadline. We have to listen to the condition. We have no other option. This is what we should practice, viewers. I hope कि आपको इन दोनों words का जो mild सा difference है वो समझ में आ गया होगा. I hope you will be practicing it in the future in a much better way. Right? That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you will like the video. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe for getting more and more helpful videos for you. See you soon. Take care of yourself, viewers. Allah Hafiz.